Q1. In a strategic move towards sustainable agriculture, India introduced a financial tool to help mitigate climate risks. This tool was launched through a collaboration between IMD and NCDEX. What is this pioneering tool called? A. Weather credit swaps. B. Agri-risk bonds. C. Parametric weather derivatives. D. Rainfall insurance contracts. Correct answer, C. Q2. As part of its expansion, a Japanese electronics firm has inaugurated its first manufacturing facility in Chennai, in partnership with RIKUN. What product will be primarily manufactured at this facility? A. Semiconductor chips. B. LCD screens. C. EcoTank printers. D. Surveillance cameras. Correct answer, C. Q3. In July 2025, India surpassed China for the second time in a row in a particular sector and rose to the fourth global position. This achievement is linked to which domain? A. Wind energy generation. B. Organic food exports. C. Biofuel consumption. D. Fintech innovations. Correct answer, C. Q4. A significant appointment in the corporate world saw a woman stepping into the top leadership role at Hindustan Unilever Limited, marking a historic first. Who is this newly appointed CEO? A. Naina Lal Kidwai. B. Priya Nair. C. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. D. Anshula Kant. Correct answer, B. Q5. An innovative AI tool called Comet was launched by Perplexity to enhance web experiences. What makes Comet unique in its functionality? A. It blocks malware. B. It offers high-speed internet. C. It turns web pages into interactive learning spaces. D. It compresses web data for faster access. Correct answer, C. Q6. Recently, a biobank initiative was launched by CSIR IGIB in Delhi to gather genomic and clinical data from across India. What is the name of this national biobank? A. Genome Vault India. B. Bharat Biobase. C. Phenom India. D. Genomics Grid. Correct answer, C. Q7. In a major technological milestone, NVIDIA became the first company in the world to reach a significant market capitalization value. What was this milestone valuation? A. $2 trillion. B. $3 trillion. C. $4 trillion. D. $5 trillion. Correct answer, C. Q8. The Indian state of Tamil Nadu took a major leap in tuberculosis elimination by integrating a predictive model. Who developed this innovative TB death prediction model? A. WHO India Chapter. B. National Institute of Epidemiology, ICMR. C. AIIMS Tuberculosis Lab. D. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Correct answer, B. Q9. To support tribal students in India, the NES and UNICEF launched a program that focuses on both academic and personal growth in Eklavya model schools. What is the name of this initiative? A. Prerana. B. GYANSETU. C. Tilash. D. Vikas. Correct answer, C. Q10. SEBI recently banned a global financial firm from Indian markets due to index manipulation in Bank Nifty and Nifty 50. What is the name of this firm? A. BlackRock. B. Vanguard Group. C. Jane Street. D. Goldman Sachs. Correct answer, C.